Okay, we're here at Mang Inasal. Is that right?
Yep.
And we're gonna do an eating with my hands for the first time challenge.
So yeah, watch out.
All right, just got my facial, and that was more painful than I thought it was gonna be. Now I'm gonna get lunch here at Mang Inasal, which I can already tell you, their food might be delicious, but I'm not gonna like this place. This place is always packed. They said our food's gonna take like 30 minutes. It's so loud. This is not the place for an introvert to have lunch. So we'll see if their food is worth it. I'm just wondering why it's there. All right, eating rice with my hands for the first time challenge in the Philippines. All right, I'm grabbing yours because it's in the camera.
Want the oil?
Should I dip it in the oil?
No, put the oil in here.
Oh my gosh, I already drank this. Yeah, I did it.
What about the chicken?
I'm gonna dip it in that one.
Okay.
Oh, it's falling apart.
The shallow shit.
It's going down the drain pretty fast. Are people staring, walking by? Hey, what is this guy doing? This is delicious. This is my favorite thing. You can put this on everything. Boring white rice, you put this on there, makes it so much better. Just edit that out as its own video. What's it called? Mang Inasal? I feed myself, thank you.
What?
Good. It's not worth the wait.
What?
It's not worth the wait. We literally waited 30 minutes. I got a spoon now. Challenge over. All right, that was Mag Inaso. Mag Inaso? Mag Inaso? Mang Inaso? Mang Inaso? All right, just like I said, it's good, but it's not worth the wait. Your Filipino can make you better food at home. So now we're gonna try this. What is it called? Halo halo?
Yeah.
That just looks like a mess. I think this will be the official second thing that I don't like. Just because this looks like a disaster. I'm supposed to mix it up. Well, the ice cream part is good. If you take that out, that's just disgusting. It'd be fine if they didn't put all this other stuff in it. I mean, it's good without all the other stuff in it. I think it's mixed. Bye, guys.